So direct kick attempt by Paradise. Nice save. Rachel Marlotte of Chico with the gets up with the save. About the between the 55th and 60th minute, keeping the game 2-0. Chico over visiting Paradise. Got about 20 minutes left in this one. Paradise needs 2 goals to equalize. It's another play by the Chico goalkeeper. And she gloves that one too. Chico looking to get back on the offensive.